I am here now. I am here now. You are here too. You are here too. We are learning English. We are learning English. This is a new lesson. This is a new lesson. The lesson is easy. The lesson is easy. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I hear every word. I hear every word. I repeat after you. I repeat after you. I speak slowly now. I speak slowly now. Slow speech is good. Slow speech is good. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. I sit calmly. I sit calmly. I relax my body. I relax my body. I breathe in. I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe out. I feel okay. I feel okay. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I stay focused. I stay focused. I am ready. I am ready. Let us begin. Let us begin. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning. Learning feels nice. Learning feels nice. I like this lesson. I like this lesson. This helps me. This helps me. I continue learning. I continue learning. I am at home. I am at home. My home is quiet. My home is quiet. I sit on the floor. I sit on the floor. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. I stand up slowly. I stand up slowly. I walk inside. I walk inside. I walk outside. I walk outside. I open the door. I open the door. I close the door. I close the door. I see the light. I see the light. The light is bright. The light is bright. I turn off the fan. I turn off the fan. I turn on the fan. I turn on the fan. I feel cool now. I feel cool now. I feel warm now. I feel warm now. I drink some water. I drink some water. Water feels fresh. Water feels fresh. I eat simple food. I eat simple food. The food is warm. The food is warm. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I enjoy my food. I finish eating. I finish eating. I clean my place. I clean my place. I like cleanliness. I like cleanliness. I feel good inside. I feel good inside. I feel happy now. I feel happy now. I feel relaxed today. I feel relaxed today. I feel calm inside. I feel calm inside. I do not feel stress. I do not feel stress. I stay positive. I stay positive. Positive thoughts help. Positive thoughts help. I think good thoughts. I think good thoughts. I smile softly. I smile softly. I like smiling. I like smiling. Smiling feels good. Smiling feels good. I feel peaceful. I feel peaceful. Peace feels nice. Peace feels nice. I stay quiet. I stay quiet. Quiet time helps me. Quiet time helps me. I listen again. I listen again. I repeat again. I repeat again. Repeating helps me. Repeating helps me. I remember better. I remember better. My English improves. My English improves. I feel confident. I feel confident. Confidence is growing. Confidence is growing. I trust myself. I trust myself. I try again. I try again. I try again. I never quit. I never quit. I move forward. I move forward. I learn every day. I learn every day. Daily learning helps. Daily learning helps. I practice English. I practice English. Practice is important. Practice is important. I like practice. I like practice. I listen daily. I listen daily. Listening helps speaking. Listening helps speaking. I speak little by little. I speak little by little. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. I take small steps. I take small steps. I improve slowly. I improve slowly. Slow progress is fine. Slow progress is fine. I stay patient. I stay patient. Patience helps learning. Patience helps learning. I enjoy progress. I enjoy progress. Progress makes me happy. Progress makes me happy. I feel proud. I feel proud. I thank myself. I thank myself. I keep learning. I keep learning. I keep listening. I keep listening. I keep practicing. I keep practicing. I do my best. I do my best. My best is enough. My best is enough. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will continue. I will continue. I wake up early. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the window. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. Fresh air comes in. I feel fresh now. I feel fresh now. I go to the bathroom. I open the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I dry my face. I dry my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I smile at myself. I feel ready now. I feel ready now. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. My clothes feel good. My clothes feel good. I leave my room. I leave my room. I greet my family. I greet my family. I say good morning. I say good morning. They smile back. They smile back. I feel happy. I feel happy. I drink warm water. I drink warm water. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Breakfast is simple. Breakfast is simple. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I chew my food. I chew my food. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. I feel full now. I feel full now. I clean my plate. I clean my plate. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wipe my hands. I wipe my hands. I go outside. I go outside. I see the sky. I see the sky. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. I feel the breeze. I feel the breeze. The air feels cool. The air feels cool. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I enjoy walking. I enjoy walking. Walking feels nice. Walking feels nice. I stop for a moment. I stop for a moment. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I breathe in calmly. I breathe in calmly. I breathe out slowly. I breathe out slowly. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I continue my day. I continue my day. I start my work. I start my work. I sit at my place. I sit at my place. I open my book. I open my book. I open my notebook. I open my notebook. I read a line. I read a line. I read slowly. I read slowly. I understand the words. I understand the words. I write carefully. I write carefully. I write one sentence. I write one sentence. I check my work. I check my work. I correct mistakes. I correct mistakes. Mistakes help learning. Mistakes help learning. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I try again. I try again. I do not hurry. I do not hurry. I stay focused. I stay focused. I give my time. I give my time. I work calmly. I work calmly. I work calmly. I finish my task. I finish my task. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. I take a break. I take a break. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I relax a bit. I relax a bit. I feel fresh again. I feel fresh again. I return to work. I return to work. I speak simple English. I speak simple English. Simple English is fine. Simple English is fine. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. I choose easy words. I choose easy words. People understand me. People understand me. I feel confident now. I feel confident now. Confidence feels good. Confidence feels good. I talk politely. I talk politely. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I answer clearly. I answer clearly. I ask simple questions. I ask simple questions. I say yes politely. I say yes politely. I say no politely. I say no politely. I say please. I say please. I say thank you. I say thank you. Good manners matter. Good manners matter. I respect others. I respect others. Others respect me. Others respect me. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. I enjoy speaking. I enjoy speaking. Speaking feels easy. Speaking feels easy. I keep practicing daily. I keep practicing daily. Practice builds confidence. Practice builds confidence. I grow every day. I grow every day. I am improving. I am improving.